what is up? We're here with some Marble Run. Where's the marbles? Oh, here they are. So, there's some baseball caps. Let's see. Yankees, get back here. Red Sox. Twins, I could give them a blue. Seattle, I could give them green. Tampa, I don't know. I think I should give them this color. Let's see, Giants, I don't know. Don't know. Alright. Yeah, boy.
I'm falling. I think I'm falling. I'm falling.
Dan.
Miami, yellow. Dodgers, let's see. Could give them a blue. Milwaukee.
Said he's dead.
Milwaukee's. Okay, let's get started. First match, Yankees and Boston. Yankees, Boston.
Mom, did you
3,
know what it
2,
is?
1.
Yankees. Yankees. Come on, Yankees. No!
Okay. Oh, nice hit. Spin around the blue front. Oh, Yankees! With the lead. Red Sox are eliminated. Bye-bye.
What does eliminating mean?
And we'll see who moves on. Seattle or Tampa Bay? Seattle, Tampa Bay. Seattle's green, Tampa Bay is the white team. Let's go Seattle. Oh, Seattle drops in to the blue funnel. Oh, and it looks like Tampa Bay is stuck. It looks like Seattle's going to win this one, folks.
Were we rooting for them?
Seattle wins.
Were we rooting for them?
I was rooting for Seattle. I don't know if you were, but I was.
Mommy, are you rooting for Seattle?
Sure.
Tampa
Whoever.
Bay eliminated.
Wham, wham.
Twins versus Seattle. Seattle Twins. Let's see what up first. Seattle drops full first. Let's go into the blue funnel. Down the path. Into the other blue funnel. Seattle has a slight lead. Coming on. Seattle wins. Most likely they were going to win. So the Twins are eliminated. Goodbye, Twins. Seattle will play the Yankees. Seattle versus the Yankees. Yankees, Seattle. Coming on down. Oh, Seattle has a slight lead.
Come on, Yankees.
Let's go, Yankees. Oh, Seattle. Oh, Yankees bump him in. Yankees following right behind. Yankees into the other blue funnel. Looks like Seattle's going to win this one, folks. And the Yankees are eliminated from the playoffs. Dodgers versus Miami. Dodgers, Miami. Oh, Dodgers following right behind. Oh, the Dodgers! They got a lead. I thought Miami had that one. Dodgers are going to drop first, it looks like, folks. See who's going to win this one. Take it down. Here comes yellow. Blue looks like they're going to drop first. And they do. Down, out goes Miami. And Dodgers. Miami is eliminated. Arizona, Giants. Arizona and the Giants. Here we go. Ooh. It's marble racing. Oh, it looks like it's pretty close. Oh, Arizona has a lead. I don't know who's going to drop first. All right, so the Giants are catching up, but it looks like Arizona's going to win this one, folks. No, it does. Giants eliminated. Giants out. Arizona moves on. Here we go. Dodgers and Milwaukee. Dodgers, Milwaukee. See this. Who will win? Oh! Milwaukee has a lead. It looks like Milwaukee might win here. Oh, getting close. No, the Dodgers have it. Wasn't expecting that. Let's see if Milwaukee can make a little comeback here. Oh, hit him. Oh, Milwaukee trying to fit in there. But no. The Dodgers win. Out Milwaukee in Dodgers. So, Dodgers. And there is Arizona.
This is it? This is the World Series?
No,
Oh.
that's Seattle. So whoever wins this goes in.
Got it.
Let's see who will win this. Dodgers. Oh, it's looking pretty close. Oh, Dodgers will drop first. Arizona following right behind. This is a pretty close one, guys. Oh, some hits getting in there. Oh, the Dodgers win. The Dodgers. Here we go. Last round. Dodgers and Seattle.
World Series?
Yes, Dodgers, Seattle. Ooh, it's going to be really close. Who's going to win? Oh, Seattle in there.
Oh, it's neck and neck, folks. Whoa!
Oh, it's looking pretty close. Seattle drops in there. And then here comes Seattle. Here comes it. Oh, Dodgers dropped in. It looks like Seattle has a slight lead. Who is going to win this? And Seattle wins the final. And that's going to be it for this Marble Run Racing today, folks. Bye.